Achieve glass skin within 7 days. With this tool magical steps. You will get insane results after using this. Do you want to know these 2 magical steps? Well, let's jump into the video without wasting any more time. And don't skin the video. I will give incredible tips in the middle of the video. Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we discuss about how to achieve glass skin within 7 days. It gives 100% results. You no need follow anything instead of this. What is glass skin? Glass skin means when we expose to light, our skin reflects, which means our skin looks very glowing and radiant. Glass skin have no dark spots, no acne, no blackheads. To get this glass skin, we only follow 2 steps. One is magical face mask, another one is moisturizer boost gel. Hydration plus glow gives glass skin. We will discuss how to use, when to use, how to make. Number 1. Magical face mask. There for ingredients. To make this, let's unlock these for ingredients. Number 1. Besan. Besan has healing and exfoliating properties that make it the perfect homemade, all-natural body scrub you may see during marriages. Besan repairs dead skin cells, acne scars, and face tan. Besan is best ingredient to remove dullness of your face. Ingredient number 2. Rice water. Rice water directly related to glass skin. Most skincare experts believe that rice water for face benefits skin whitening and brightening effects because it is a good source of vitamins and antioxidants. This milky white water is also used as a natural and gentle exfoliator to help shed dead skin cells and brighten the complexion. It also tightens open pores, gives hydration, slow down anti-aging, and minimizes fine lines, wrinkles, when we use regularly. To make this rice water, take 1/4 cup of uncooked rice, rinse well, put into a bowl with 3 cups of water, soak for 45 minutes. Strain rice into new bowl, and take that milky white water. Use this water for face. Ingredient number 3. Glycerine. It is a colorless, odorless liquid. Glycerine moisturizes the skin and lightening the skin more. Glycerine gives more hydration for skin. It gives instant glow. Many products like face wash, moisturizers, etc. also uses glycerine for making. If you use regularly, you can achieve glass skin. Ingredient number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is best for skin glow, skin whitening, and pigmentation. It also reduces dark spots and aging signs. Turmeric contains more antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. To make this magical face mask, take 1 tablespoon of besan, 3 tablespoons of rice water, 1 tablespoon of glycerine. Then take a small pinch of turmeric, because it turns into yellowish. So take only small pinch. Mix all of them into a bowl and apply on your face for 30 to 45 minutes until it dries. Use this face mask day 1, day 3, day 5, day 7, or day 2, day 4, day 6. Use that moisturizer boost gel. To make this moisturizer boost gel, just follow 2 ingredients. Number 1 aloe vera, number 2 glycerine. Mix all these 2 ingredients into a bowl. It turns into gel. Apply this gel on your face for day 2, day 4, day 6. Follow these 2 steps for 7 days. You will get ultimate results. Tell me in comments after follow these steps. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.